Solving a multi-step equation given in fractional form. Solve for x. Simplify your answer as much as possible. Okay, so with my equation here, the first thing I need to do is get rid of this big fraction bar, or undo that divide by 5. Because right now that fraction bar is acting as a grouping symbol, and it's holding these two little terms together as part of like one big term. So before I can get the x by itself, okay, and start to kind of take apart this numerator, I need to get rid of this denominator. So the inverse operation to divide by 5 is multiply by 5. And I'm going to put 5 over 1 just to keep numerators and denominators lined up. And just to keep my equation balanced, I'm going to also multiply by 5 on the left side. Okay, so over here, this multiplying by 5 cancels out the divide by 5. And I'm left with just 3x minus 29 on that side, on the right side. On the left, 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Okay, now I have eliminated this fraction, this big fraction bar here, so that now I can start to work on this, this side of the equation to isolate my x or get it by itself. So before I worry about this number that's attached directly to the x, I'm going to get rid of anything else that's over here on the right side of the equation. So to zero out that negative 29, the inverse would be to add 29. That'll eliminate that. But to keep my equation balanced, I have to add 29 on the other side. So now I simplify. This leaves me with just plain 9 on the left, 3x on the right. Now, this is implied multiplication. Okay, so to undo that times by 3, the inverse is divide by 3. Do that to both sides. And after I simplify, x is equal to 9 divided by 3, which is just